Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to do DAWless MIDI live looping because it's something I use all the time in my live sets. Each setup has its own strengths, but they all let you create MIDI loops in real time in a very intuitive way. We'll look at 3 different approaches, directly on the Roland MV-1 with the Launchpad Pro MK3 and finally with Loopy Pro 2 on the iPad. Let's start with the Roland. The first thing to check is that quantization is enabled. Everything is set correctly here. Once that's done, all you have to do is arm recording and start playing. You can then edit the recorded notes or easily add overdubs. For example, we can modify this note here, tweak the groove or fix a few details. Overall, it's very simple and intuitive. Now I'm going to erase this loop by holding down Clear. As soon as I release the button, a new loop starts recording automatically. Super easy. Let's clear that and move on to the Launchpad Pro MK3. In the pattern settings, I make sure quantization is still enabled. Once everything is ready, we can start recording ideas right away. I press Rec, the sequence records, and immediately starts looping. Then I can switch to another pattern and record a second loop. There are 8 patterns available per track. This makes it really easy to build an arrangement and chain sequences together during a live performance. And of course, while performing, I still have direct access to effects in Loopy Pro, which adds movement, variation, and extra life to the track. Let's clear everything again and move on to Loopy Pro 2 on the iPad. Here, I'm going to record a MIDI loop directly into Loopy Pro. The blue circles are empty MIDI loops that I've prepared in advance. Their lengths can be fixed or dynamic. I'm using a quantization script in Loopy Pro to keep everything perfectly in time. And then I can add overdubs simply by touching the loop with 2 fingers. Of course, every control can be MIDI mapped, so you can manage your loops with a foot controller and avoid touching the screen altogether. And this is where things get really interesting. I've assigned a MIDI volume control that allows me to change the velocity of the recorded notes in real time. In other words, I can make a sequence softer or more energetic on the fly without having to re-record anything. As far as I know, that's a pretty rare feature among MIDI sequencers, and it's one of the reasons I really enjoy this setup. Let's add a second loop running in parallel just for fun. And that's it. It's really that simple. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. I've already published a video covering some of the subtleties of MIDI looping on the MV-1, and you'll find the link in the description below. Would you be interested in a more detailed video about MIDI live looping with Loopy Pro? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you very soon for more music tech explorations. Take care and see you next time. Bye!